If your hair has been thinning, shedding, or growing slower than usual, you may blame products, genetics, or routines, but the real issue might be something deeper: stress, tension, and poor circulation. Your scalp needs oxygen, blood flow, and calmness for healthy growth. And that's where yoga becomes a powerful tool. Today, I'm sharing 7 yoga poses that help stimulate hair growth, strengthen your roots, and support your overall well-being. These are gentle, beginner-friendly, and can be done in just minutes a day. Why yoga helps. Hair growth. Hair grows best when your internal environment is balanced. Yoga helps by increasing blood flow to your scalp, reducing cortisol, your stress hormone, improving oxygen delivery to follicles, relaxing tension held in the neck and head, supporting hormone balance. This isn't just fitness, it's a holistic way to nourish your hair from the inside out. Pose number 1, forward fold. Bend forward, letting your head hang. This sends fresh blood, oxygen, and nutrients straight to your scalp. It's one of the fastest ways to boost circulation naturally. Pose number 2, downward facing dog. This pose lengthens the spine, increases circulation, and relieves stress. A calm nervous system equals healthier follicles. Pose number 3, camel pose. Opens the chest and improves oxygen flow. Deep breathing in this pose helps release tension that blocks growth cycles. Pose number 4, cat-cow. Excellent for relieving neck and upper spine tension. This gentle movement regulates nervous energy and improves scalp blood flow. Pose number 5, shoulder stand. A powerful inversion that channels circulation directly to the scalp. Even 20 to 30 seconds a day can help. Pose number 6, child's pose. This pose relieves mental stress. Lowering stress reduces shedding and supports consistent growth. Pose number 7, seated forward bend. Calms the mind, stretches the spine, and encourages blood flow toward the head. Bonus, deep breathing for hair growth. Slow breathing lowers cortisol, boosts oxygen, and activates calmness in the body, key for hair growth. Try this simple method. Inhale 4 seconds, hold 4 seconds, exhale 6 seconds. Repeat 5 times. What results to expect? With consistency, many people notice. Less shedding, improved scalp circulation, reduced tension headaches, better sleep, more hair retained during wash days. Yoga doesn't replace topical treatments. It enhances them by nurturing your internal environment. Your hair reflects your internal world. When your mind is stressed, your hair responds. These simple poses remind you to pause, breathe, and take care of yourself. Your hair can grow. Your body just needs calmness, flow, and care. Comment below, I'm trying yoga for hair growth. Like and subscribe for more powerful, natural hair growth techniques. Your healing, your growth, and your peace all matter, and this is a beautiful place to start. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, I have 2 more videos coming up right now.